Hello everyone, welcome, thanks for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing these BREMBO brake pads, which I bought from Rock Auto, that fits for 2009 and up for Lexus and Toyota for different many models. The price on Rock Auto, these cost about $40 American or $50 Canadian. And for Toyota genuine brake pads, they wanted $100, but I wanted to save some money, so I bought this on Rock Auto. So this is a pretty good deal, like half the price, so can't go wrong. So these nominal thickness is 17.5 millimeter. Okay, let's open the security seal. When you see void, that means it's already open. It means you have an open box. This package is nicely wrapped. Oh neat, have a BREMBO stickers, some clips and pins, oh sorry, my dog's barking in the background, brake lubricant, I believe this is some instruction manual. This is nicely wrapped. That's what it looks like on the other side. Be careful not to touch this surface with your fingers. You don't want to get oils on there. Let's do a quick measurement to see if it's 17.5 millimeter. And looks like it is. Now these are pretty nice looking brake pads. These brake pads are selected as daily drivers on Rock Auto. They're not the premium ones, but they should be good enough for daily drivers. Pretty nice. Feels like good quality. I can't wait to install these on my car.